Insurance terms and conditions can be confusing, and only too often we can be unsure of whether we have the correct security requirements to be covered by our policy. If you don't currently have a British standard lock on your front or back door, this may invalidate your home insurance. Yale's maximum security British standard Mortice locks are kite marked to BS 3621, as recommended by insurance companies and the police, and ensure the highest level of security for timber external doors. Here we will show you how to replace your Mortice Deadlock with a new British standard version from Yale. To find out which size lock you need, you'll need to measure the size of your old lock by measuring from the edge of the door to the centre of the keyhole. If the measurement is 45 mm, you need a 2.5 inch Mortice Deadlock. If the measurement is 57 mm, you need a 3 inch lock. Once you have your new lock, check you have the correct size by lining it up with the keyhole. Unscrew and remove the faceplate, then unscrew the lock body screws and take the old lock out of the door. Take your new lock and position it into the door. Your new lock may be larger than your old one, in which case draw around the edges and remove the wood with a chisel so that it will fit flush to the door edge. Insert your new Mortice Deadlock into the door. If your new lock has fixing holes that do not line up with the old holes, drill pilot holes into each of the new positions. Place the Mortice faceplate onto the lock and screw into position. To replace your old staple, you need to mark the position of the deadbolt on the door frame to ensure the bolt will go into the staple. Unscrew and remove the old staple and place the new one into position, ensuring that the hole in the staple lines up with the position of the deadbolt on the door. You may need to chisel the frame for the staple to fit flush against the door frame. Drill pilot holes again if necessary, then screw the staple to the door using the fixing screws provided. If you want to change the escutcheon, remove the old one by unscrewing the fixing screws and replace with the new one. Your new Yale British Standard Mortice Deadlock is now fitted. Check it operates correctly by turning the key.